Everyone, welcome back to Tina Valley, and we're doing the drop test of the Lego City pickup tow truck set. This is set number 60081. Age ranges 5 to 12. It comes with 29 pieces. Here's the citizen in his vehicle. Mister's just knocked down a lamp. Here's the small little vehicle. No, this is not the anime. There we go.
I can use him to get in the head of my brother and then mess up their mobile and they lose the game at night. And right behind him is a guy with a red sweater. You see on the next one? I want you to hypnotize both of them to lose. Well, I'm so glad that we're doing this. You guys are being so good. And I'm glad it would be very good when we went somewhere, we're doing something, but once we went home, forget it. I don't know, what do you think? I love it. What do you think, Ella? Let me see your money, Charles. Gorgeous. Great, let me see what you got. I love it. You guys happy? I love them.
Oops.
You want something else? What do you think? Makeup. Everybody that wants makeup, raise them up here. Right here.
He fixed the car and he got his car back. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like to see you did. Then subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Jimmy Valley. Bye.